Welcome to Cook'n With Remi. Today we're gonna make Petit Beurre au chocolat. Hi, I'm Remi. Did you like to cook? I like to cook. I'm gonna do recipes with you that you could do it at home with your mom and dad. My dad is a chef, and I'm gonna do recipes for you. This is my dad.
Okay, j'arrive.
Now we have butter, two kinds of butter. We have regular butter, and we have salted butter. We have flour. We have sugar. We have water, and we have vanilla sugar with
Baking powder.
baking powder.
Very good.
And 2 cans of chocolate baking, and 1 dark chocolate, 1 milk chocolate.
Very good. And we're going to use them a little later.
Now we're gonna use the butter and the water and the sugar.
Very good. You have the water. Put the casserole on the stove.
Now we're gonna mix
To dissolve the sugar. Okay, I think it's good now.
I don't think so.
Oh, no, more? Okay, I think it's good. Look, it's melted, right? Okay, so we're going to remove it, put it on the side.
And turn off the induction on.
Yes.
Induction. Be sure to let the butter to cool down for 10 minutes. Now, when let it rest for 10 minutes, next what you do is pour this into here. Bye-bye.
This is the vanilla sugar and the baking powder. You stir a little bit. No, it's the opposite. This is the powder.
Ah! Opposite way. Wow.
Tu veux ça? Now you mix very slowly.
Very, very slow. A little bit.
You want me to help you? Alright.
Thank you. Now you take the ice breaking dough and you make a bowl with it.
You use a little bit of flour, no? That will be easier. Okay. So the dough is still a little warm. That's perfect. Now we're going to make a nice roll like this, and we're going to put it back in the bowl. Okay, Remi?
You put it in the fridge for 20 minutes.
There we go.
Now we got the water boiling a little bit.
Yes.
And then you put the chocolate to melt on. And it's a double boiler. But what is a double boiler?
So we're using a double boiling. So there's hot water underneath that is simmering. You don't need a big boiling, like crazy boiling, but simmering. And you put a casserole as like a container on top of it for the chocolate to melt slowly on. Right? It will take a few minutes. You can also do it in the microwave, but chocolate in the microwave you have to be careful. So you can do it like 30 seconds by 30 seconds until it's melted.
Now that the chocolate is melted, now a parent is going to put the melted chocolate on a tray with the paper. And then I think you have to spread it.
I just keep a little bit of chocolate for later. You will see what I will do with it. So you want to put that like this? In the chocolate like this, you can also add a little bit of like ground hazelnut, almonds. There's plenty of possibility to make it different. Make it your way, the way you like it. Okay? Pas sur les doigts, pas sur les doigts. So we're going to let that chocolate rest until it gets a little solid. When it's slightly solid but not hard, you're going to be able to cut through it to make a few of those rings. Okay?
We roll out the dough on the floured surface. Now we're going to cut it with the cookie cutter. This one out. And be careful because sometimes it gets. Oh, this one is not touch.
You should be able to make like 20 to 25 cookies. You can make the size you want, the shape you want, whatever it fits you. But you see the thickness has to be kind of like a quarter inch.
Quarter inch like this, you mean?
Yes.
If you can't get it here, you could, where the parts you already take out, you could just take it out. You could just pull it out. It looks like a pyramid. It looks really like a pyramid. Now we are going to put the cookie dough in the oven for 12 minutes.
At 180 Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit. All the dough that you still have, you can rot it out. Maybe you put it in the fridge, you roll them again in 2 or 3 days.
Now we need a small cookie cutter to put the chocolate. This is the chocolate that we kept. You put a little bit of chocolate, like glue, on the cookie. And then you make a shape.
So the cookie cutter has to be slightly smaller than the cookie cutter we use. So you can make a shape like this. Do you want to try one?
Bon appétit tous les amis. Good. Mega good.